crafty friends, it's Melinda from mypapercrafting.com, and today I'm going to share with you how I used these adorable stamps from Crackerbox and Suzy stamps, this sweet little penguin, these conversation hearts, and this love you sentiment to create these adorable lollipop treat covers slash holders. So you'll want to stick around because at the end of the video I will share with you where you can pick up the link will be to pick up this adorable SVG file that I created to make this fun project. And here's the second one, and here's the third one. So again, let's go ahead, jump right in, and make sure you watch all the way to the end. Okay, so the pattern that I created, or the file, this is the base of it. And I don't know if the camera is capturing, there's some score marks, so you can just fold those. And the way it's meant to work is the lollipop will fit through here, and then you can put adhesive right on these two tabs and then just line it up with the top edge of this line there. You just line that up, and this folds over just for a little extra decorative touch, as well as to give it some sturdiness. And then it just lines up like that, and the lollipop stick just sits right in that hole. And that's how the base of the lollipop holder works. And when I designed it, I assumed this would be the front. However, because I decided to create the little heart, I want the heart to go in the front. And here is the one I have done so far. And what it is one of these files. And I cut that just in regular white cardstock, and then I cut the corresponding heart in regular white cardstock, and then I just used my applicator and some Fiesta Blue from Catherine Pooler, and then I just inked to give it some color, and then I just layered one on top of the other. And so I'm thinking I'd like that to actually go here, so that on the back end you can just still get a nice little decorative touch to that. So that's what we're gonna do. But before I adhere that, I did also create some mats, if you will, for this. And so one mat goes right here like this, and I know it's kind of hard to see because it's white on white, but one mat goes here, and it looks like there's a definite left and right. Okay, and then of course this one doesn't have a cutout, so it would just go right here like this, and then this one would be for the tab here. So what I'm going to do is go ahead, because I cut these out in white, I'm going to go ahead and ink them and use some of the cute little heart stamps to stamp them, just to give them a pattern. So I'll play a little music while I do that, and then we'll finish it up. Okay, here are my completed little lollipop treat covers. I think they all turned out adorable. They're all just a little different. I used some different colors for each of them, but they turned out really cute. So to get the SVG file that I created, and the SVG file consists of the cute little heart that's in the shape of like the ice cubes, as well as the scallop and the outer mat, and then the mechanism for the cover itself of the lollipop holder, and the corresponding mats. That's all part of the SVG file that I'm going to give away. And the only place to find that link is right here. I'm putting it in the video, and in the video only. It's not a clickable link, so you'll have to write it down and then copy it into your web browser. Unfortunately, I don't have the ability on YouTube to make that a clickable link. So you'll have to just copy it down and then put it into your web browser in a new window, and you'll be able to find the link from there and go ahead and get the download. And as far as the stamps, I will leave the links to the info in the info section of the video to where you can go ahead and pick those up, and the corresponding blog post on Crackerbox and Suzy Stamps blog. I'll leave that link as well, so you can go ahead and look at the still pictures and get a little more information, and head over and do some shopping for them with them. You'll love their stamps. I really enjoy working with them. Great quality stamps. So that's the project. Those are the projects. So I hope you like it, and if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. And until the next time, you have a wonderfully crafty day.